If I could only buy one investment, I'm picking an S&P 500 index fund. And if I could only buy two investments, I'm picking an S&P 500 index fund and a tech-based ETF. And if I could only pick three investments, I'm picking an S&P 500 index fund, a tech-based ETF, and a dividend-based ETF. And if I could only pick four investments, I'm picking an S&P, a tech-based, a dividend-based, and a real estate investment trust. Now, if you're thinking, whoa, I don't know any of these ETFs, and I don't know what you're talking about, don't worry, because this video is in an ETF playlist. And if you go on my homepage here on TikTok and you swipe a little bit, you'll find a real estate investment trust, that's a REIT, a real estate investment trust playlist as well. I'm going to show you a few examples of each. These are some of the most popular S&P 500 index funds on the market. They're all identical. As you can see, their one-year growth is all relatively the same. You only need one of them. These are three very popular tech-based ETFs. And these are three of the more popular dividend-based ETFs on the market today. If you wanted a real estate investment trust, many of them pay monthly dividends, and these are just a few of the more popular ones. Outside of those four investments, if at any point you decided, hey, you know what, I want some individual stocks in my portfolio as well, a great place to start researching only is companies that you know, use, and love. This is my original wish list from 2008, and one of the companies on here was a company that I know, use, and at least I loved. I'm indifferent on it now. I haven't been in years, but it would be right here. It's the one that says CMG. It's Chipotle, and you can see that it was $38 a share. Back then, I was a buy and hold investor. I bought WWE stock, which is now TKO, in 1999. I bought Apple in 2003. I bought Meta in 2012, and I've held them forever. So I likely would have also purchased around 100 to 300 shares because that's what I did back then. I would buy 100 to 300 shares and I would just buy and hold them forever because that's what my mom and my grandma taught me to do. And this is what Chipotle is today, $31.51. If I had purchased it at $38, it would be a difference of $3,113 times the 100 likely shares that I would have purchased. My profit would have been over $300,000. You win some, you lose some. What are you going to do? And about a year ago, my girlfriend got this big package in the mail, and I said, what's that? And she said, oh, this is a product called e.l.f. And I use all of their skincare, and I love it, and she was going on, and I said, e.l.f. I wonder if they're public. And I looked them up, and sure enough, they were. And I thought, I should look into this. Maybe this is a company worth investing in. 1 year ago, e.l.f. stock was trading at $86.45, and today it's $191. That is a gain of 121%. Now, just because you know, use, and love a brand doesn't always mean it's going to be a worthwhile investment, but it is a good place to start. And if you wanted to learn a little bit more and research the fundamentals, I'm going to show you where to do that right now. You are going to go right here, and you're going to click on the menu, which is right here, and you're going to find all of these resources, including an entirely free Investing for Beginners course, and down here, this stock fight template, which is clickable if you click on the link right here, but this is kind of what it looks like, and it allows you to look at all of the revenue, and if you want a video, there's a walkthrough video right here. There's also a totally free resource guide. There's no email sign up. There's no PayPal to unlock it. There's no free resource guide with a slightly better one for $10. You just click on it, and it's all the links that I use to do my own research. Anyway, that's what I would do if I was a new investor. Smash that follow. Thanks for watching.